Welcome to YouTube, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting and talked about muscle cars of the future, the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona. This isn't just another car release. This is the rebirth of a legend, blending the raw power and spirit of American muscle with the cutting-edge technology of the electric age. Dodge has never been a brand to play it safe, and the Charger Daytona proves it once again, pushing boundaries and redefining what performance means in the EV era. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Charger Daytona is its bold design. Dodge has taken inspiration from the classic muscle car era, but brought it into the modern age with aerodynamic lines, a sculpted body, and that signature aggressive stance. The front end is dominated by the R-wing, an innovative aerodynamic feature that channels air through the nose for better performance and efficiency, while still maintaining that unmistakable Charger look. The illuminated Fratzonic badge at the front signals a new chapter for Dodge performance vehicles, linking heritage with the future. Underneath that striking exterior is where the magic truly happens. The 2026 Charger Daytona is all electric, powered by Dodge's new Banshee propulsion system. This setup delivers blistering acceleration, instant torque, and performance numbers that rival, and in some cases beat, the most powerful gasoline Chargers ever made. Dodge hasn't released every single detail yet, but insiders say we're looking at 0 to 60 times in the low 3-second range and top speeds that make it a genuine track weapon. And because it's electric, all that performance comes with zero tailpipe emissions. Now, one of the biggest concerns for muscle car fans when switching to electric is sound. The roar of a Hemi V8 has always been part of the Charger's identity. Dodge knows this, and they've introduced the revolutionary Fratzonic Chambered Exhaust, an industry-first system that generates a performance sound worthy of the Charger name. It's loud, it's aggressive, and it delivers that emotional connection between driver and car that so many feared would be lost with electrification. Step inside the cabin, and the 2026 Charger Daytona feels every bit as futuristic as its powertrain. You're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials, advanced technology, and a massive digital display setup. The central infotainment screen delivers everything from performance data to entertainment, while the fully digital gauge cluster puts crucial information right in your line of sight. Ambient lighting, sporty bucket seats, and a minimalist yet aggressive design language make the interior feel both luxurious and performance-oriented. One of the standout features is the PowerShot mode, a temporary performance boost at the touch of a button. Need to make a quick overtake or just want that extra surge of adrenaline? Hit PowerShot, and you'll feel the Charger Daytona unleash its full fury instantly. It's a feature that reminds you this isn't just a practical EV. It's still very much a Dodge performance machine at heart. Range and charging capabilities are equally impressive. With fast charging support, you can get back on the road quickly. And Dodge has worked hard to balance high performance with a usable driving range. While the exact numbers are still being finalized, expect it to be competitive with other high-performance EVs on the market. But beyond the specs, the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona is about making a statement. It's proof that the muscle car isn't dead. It's evolving. Dodge has found a way to keep the rebellious, high-adrenaline spirit alive while embracing the future of automotive technology. This is a car built for those who refuse to blend in, for those who want performance without compromise, and for those who believe that driving should always be thrilling. The 2026 Charger Daytona isn't just a replacement for the gasoline Charger. It's a whole new chapter in the story. It honors the past while charging forward into the future. Literally. From its jaw-dropping acceleration to its innovative sound system, from its retro modern design to its tech-packed interior, everything about this car is designed to make you feel something. And in a world where so many vehicles are starting to feel the same, that's exactly what makes the Charger Daytona special. So whether you're a lifelong Dodge fan or someone curious about the next generation of performance cars, the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona is a glimpse into what's possible when tradition meets innovation head-on. It's bold, it's unapologetic, and it's ready to change the way you think about electric cars forever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, because there's so much more automotive excitement coming your way right here.